Hey, what's up everyone? This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get the Criminal Hideout location. That's pretty easy and simple, but you have to find that place out. And to do that, you have to follow the whole tutorial. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, first of all, open your map. And here you have to select this location. Come over here. Just select this location and click on this map icon to go there. And now I'm also gonna go there. All right, and after that we'll get the exact location named Criminal Hideout. So this is the place. To complete your mission, normally you have to go inside of it, and then you have to return to the Officer Bert to fulfill your mission. So here you can see that I already have entered on this location, and now I'm gonna go out, and this is the exact Criminal Hideout location. And after entering this location, you can return to the Officer Bert to get your reward, $25,000. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.